10 और टाइम हुआ है 9:33। सो आज देखते हैं कौन सा ट्रेड हमें क्या देने वाला है। यहाँ पे मैं कुछ ट्रेड सिलेक्ट करके रखा हूँ जिस पे मैं ट्रेड करूँगा। तो सेलिंग साइड में मेरा ट्रेड है, सिलेक्ट करके रखा है एल टी ग्रीसम, इन्फी, टेकेम, एस आर टी फिन। और बाइंग में मैं ये ट्रेड सिलेक्ट करके रखा हूँ पहले से, पी वी आर, एस बी आई कार्ड, इंडसइंड बैंक, अदानी पोर्ट, सीमेंस, आई सी आई बैंक, एच डी एफ सी बैंक। ठीक है। सो मेरा जो पहला वो है कि आई वेट फॉर 30 minutes आफ्टर मार्केट open, and that's after that I took trade. So here one stock is Infi, which I am right now looking into it, and I right now didn't have traded on it because I stick to my discipline that I didn't enter before 9:45. That is means after completion of 30-minute candle, which basically give me the strength, with information about strength of the stock. And this stock is continuously means making low, so it has a great opportunity for selling or selling side. uh, let's see what happen. If I take some trade, then I will call you, means I will start recording it. But before that I am just watching these trades. LT, it's gone very high and it's not good for selling side. Grassing, let's see. Check, basically Nifty is coming down, so my probability would be it will come to this position and then bounce back. It has come down from 15,000 point. Let's see what happens. Okay, PBR has great opportunities because in one day candle you can see it's creating a W like pattern, so I have selected for buying purpose. But let's see what happens. PBR, SBI card, IndusInd Bank, Tanu, Siemens. Siemens today has a great potential because you can see it has creating a trend line and it's also getting up from a support level of 20 days AMI. So its a target might be on 1900. I will exit on 1900, so it will let's see, it's gone very high. So before after it get consolidated to this position, I will be not taking it. Let's see, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank has came to a support level of 200 days AMI. So let's see, 5-minute candles. Yes, it's getting support. If it create a V-like pattern, then I will be able to interrupt it, otherwise I will not. So we are sticking to our rules and regulation, that is after 30 minutes. So oh my god, Infi has gone very low. Yeah, before some time I was very much interested to take trade in this position, but according to my means discipline, I couldn't able to take this trade. Why? Because I have taken the discipline of not entering the trade before 9:45, so I am sticking to it. So in here shown very downside, so after if we get up to this position, means after consolidation, I am thinking to enter it. Let's see, Infi will be on our checklist, and what is the target of the Infi, and if we entire day target will be this position 34. I will be exiting on 35. 10 10 point. So let's see. Okay, friends, if I take any trade, I will be updating you. Okay, guys, I have taken a trade on HDFC Bank and buying position. Why I took this trade? Because let's see, this I have basically took this trade because I have if you see in a 1 day candlestick, so HDFC Bank is little bit here. It has basically having this much of consolidation, and look at the trend line taking this support, this support, this support, and here comes another support. So I am basically bullish in HDFC Bank right now. So I am thinking to it will go above today. And if you see 30-minute candlesticks, this trend line 20-day EMI is constantly consolidating here, and right now it has gone little bit up. And if market come in our side, then I think that it will go definitely. And another thing that I have taken this trade because it is probability that it will give me more targets than rest of the stocks. So let's see. First of all, set up my SL, which I should. My SL will be this position 1419. If my SL hit, I will be exiting. Okay, so okay, now back to explanation. So you can see it is going above from, and the 20-day EMI is basically crossing from below to 200 days EMI from below side. So my probability is very bullish in this trade, so that's why I have took this trade. And let's see what happen. If something happen, I will be updating you. And another stock which I will be interested in Infi, but why I didn't have took the trade in Infi, because it's giving me little very, it has already come down. Means if the perfect position would be when it's retraced up to this position and come to 20-day AMI and show a red candle, then I will be very much interested to sell in it. But before that, I will let it go. So today's stock will be on HDFC Bank, and another is with Siemens, which is I'm much more interested, but it has to come to this position. And let's see what happened. We are also showing a very good. Let's see, HDFC Bank. Okay friends, I will be updating if something happens. I think HDFC Bank will hit my SL. Let's see what happened. This Nifty is going on. Oh, very good. Okay friends, it has hit my SL. So where I did mistake, uh, come here. I want to show you where I did mistake. So basically Nifty is a way to fill up the gaps. I have didn't have considered that, and unfortunate after taking the trade I have this thing. I have this came into mind. This happened when you were in a trading area. It has not able to hit the 15,000 mark, and from 15,000 mark it is coming down. So my analysis will be it will come to this position and then bounce back, but rather than it is falling. So I have took the trade against the trend. So that is my real mistake that I have done in this trade, and that's why HDFC my SL was hit on this. So hope you understand, and thank you for this video. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button. Thank you. That's all for today. Hope you understand. If you learned the mistake that I have done, and I am not going to repeat that again. uh, Thank you. Have a nice day.